Have you ever heard of the 50-30-20 budgeting method? Did you know that the 50-30-20 rule is a simple and effective budgeting method that can help you allocate your income in a balanced way and set you on the track to your financial freedom? It was popularized by the U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren and her daughter Amelia Warren Tyagi in their book called All Your Worth: The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. This method is widely used because it provides structure and flexibility without requiring complicated calculations. So, how does the 50-30-20 rule work? The 50-30-20 budgeting method divides your after-tax income into three major categories. That is, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings, investments, and debt repayment. Now, let's break down each section for proper understanding. 1. The 50% represent your needs or essentials and obligations. Over here, half of your take-home income should be spent on your essential needs. That is, things you absolutely must pay for to live and function. What are some examples of common needs? Rent or mortgage. If you are buying a house, then you may probably have a mortgage to settle. Hence, it must be included in your budget to avoid losing your future home. Also, if you don't pay your rent, you will be ejected. Hence, it is very necessary to settle your rent to keep that roof over your head and that of your family. Utility bills, usually including electricity bills, water bills, internet, and phone bills. Insurance. Insurance may include health, car, and home. Transportation expenses. Transportation expenses or costs include gas or fuel, public transit fare, etc. Minimum debt payments, for example, credit cards and loans. Groceries, basic food needs. And finally, child care and essential medical costs. Okay, now this is the wisdom here. If your needs exceed 50% of your income, consider cutting back on housing costs, shopping for cheaper insurance, or reducing utility expenses where possible. However, if your needs are well under 50% of your total income, you may as well allocate extra money to savings or paying down debt faster. Before I continue, please subscribe and like the video. 2. The 30% goes toward wants or non-essentials. This portion is for non-essential spending, things that improve your quality of life but aren't absolutely necessary for survival. Common wants expenses may include entertainment, hobbies and recreational activities, shopping, gym memberships and personal care, and travel and vacations trips. Now, take note of this, because this is very important. The wants category is where people often overspend. To stay within budget, track your discretionary expenses and prioritize what truly brings you joy. Cutting back on unnecessary wants, for example, cutting off multiple subscriptions and impulse purchases can free up more money for savings or debt repayment. For instance, if you already pay for a monthly gym subscription, there's no need to spend extra on multiple online gym classes that could be draining your income. 3. The 20% goes toward savings, investments, and debt repayment, which is also called contribution towards future security. Over here, the final 20% of your after-tax income should go toward building wealth, securing your financial future, and eliminating debts that could compound absurdly over a long period of time. Now, some common savings and debt priorities are: emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of your monthly income towards unexpected events. Retirement contributions. Investing in 401k, etc. Investments. Investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other long-term investments. Extra debt payments. Paying off high-interest credit cards and loans faster. Now take note of these important points. If you have high-interest debt, for example, paying off debts on your credit card, then you have to prioritize paying it off aggressively before increasing your monthly saving targets. Meanwhile, even if you start small, consistently contributing to savings helps you build long-term financial stability. In conclusion, the 50-30-20 budgeting method is an excellent starting point for anyone looking to take control of their finances without overcomplicating the process. If you're new to budgeting, this method can help you build good financial habits while ensuring you balance your expenses, lifestyle, and future savings. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Thank you.